Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Geegpay account. Now, why I'm showing you this is because if you're a freelancer, you know that sometimes you might want to send and receive funds to foreign clients, or maybe you work for a foreign client and they want to pay you. They will not be paying you directly to your local bank account. Some of them will say, okay, do you have a dollar account? Do you have an account that can send the money? So you are going to need a virtual dollar account or a virtual account where you can send and receive funds. And that's why I'm showing you how to create a Geegpay account. Right? So Geegpay is the best platform that you can use to receive and send money online as a freelancer. Even if you're not a freelancer and you want to receive and send money, this is a very good alternative for those of us who are struggling with PayPal, right? If you're struggling with PayPal, this is a good alternative for you. So if this is your first time of coming on to this channel, you're welcome to this channel. My name is Awajima Isito. All I do here is to show you how to do stuff online and how to make money for yourself and grow your business. All right, so let's get straight into the video. Before I do that, like this video, subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss whenever I publish new videos. All right, so let's go straight into the video and let me show you. So to open a Geegpay account, so this is Geegpay here on my phone. You can see this is Geegpay here. All right, that's the app. For you to open and create an account and have this app on your phone running, just go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link there. Click on the link. Use that link so that you can get the best value of this app. All right, go to the link in the description, click on the link. It will take you to where you're going to download the app. Okay, so when you get in, they're going to ask you to um, set up your account. So when you get to your Geegpay account, what you are going to be seeing is you're going to see a message telling you to sign up, right? They're going to description section. All right, this is what you're going to be seeing. It will ask you create your account, so you are going to insert your number here correctly, and then you will go to, let's just click a number. For instance, let's just say whatever, 378 588 1414. So once you click on that number, you say next. And once you say next, it's going to give you all the forms that you are going to fill to start using this app. Make sure to follow the process correctly so that you are not going to miss the step, right? Make sure to follow the step correctly. And when you follow the step correctly, you are going to be sent a mail. That mail is a verification mail telling you to verify that you are the one that is trying to sign up. Okay, when you get that mail, follow all the instruction of the mail. Make sure to put in your correct email. All right, you don't want to miss out from the opportunities that these guys are going to be giving to you. You don't want to miss out on the signing up process. So make sure that you go to the verification mail, follow all the instructions there. Now, this is another very important part that you need to also keep in mind when you are doing your verification. You are going to be asked to do your KYC. Your KYC is just the last process that will help you to be properly onboarded to be able to use the app. Are you getting now? So you must make sure that you go through your KYC. Your KYC is just for them to be able to know who you are. It's called Know Your Customer. So you must be able to go through the process of the KYC properly so that you can be fully onboarded to be able to use the app. Make sure to follow through all the process correctly. Otherwise, you may not be able to use the app. All right. So let me just show you what it will look like by the time you are fully onboarded. Let me just show you what it will look like. I'm going to log into my password and show you what it will look like. Just follow me. Good. So what you are seeing right now is my dashboard. So this is what your dashboard is going to look like when you successfully sign up on the app. Although your own may not have all of these numbers you are seeing here because it's still going to be a fresh account. All right. So, but make sure you go through all the process correctly so that you can be able to get access to this part. So this is how you can create your GPay account. If you want me to do more videos about this, just drop a comment for me in the comment section. All right. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.